Alrighty, Sharp Customs, we're rolling. As you can see, we're back down at the river. It got a little shallower up there, so we kind of moved down. This is where we were in the last video. We were actually running up there by that rock. I know for a fact because I hit it. This looks pretty good. We're a foot and a half. There is some shallow spots over there. I did bring the fishing pole for retrieval this time, but I can kind of see that this whole area, if I had to go in to get the boat, it's doable. It's doable. You never know what's in here though, man. There is so much debris along this shore. Look at the shoreline here. You can see how high the water was. It was up here somewhere. So it's dropped almost like probably 2 feet. Check this out. Check this out. I'm gonna show the people this. Look at this. That's steel. I don't know what that is. A piece of wood. That's a block. Piece of plate. We walked across some stuff back here. Just gonna show you. That's an iron bar right there. Here's another one. Look at this. This is old plumbing. This old cast iron, man. That's old freaking pipe. Yeah, we had some factories close by that used to, they used to do a lot of, I know for a fact they used to do a lot of dumping here. Glass, all different colors, all different types of glass. That's a piece of slag. That's a piece of slag from probably malleable iron. But yeah, they used to just dump their garbage all over the place here, man. And it's like, that's pretty decent fishing in these waters though. But we got the jet boat, and I say I fire it up. Okay, I had turned it on. There we go. There we go. I say we fire it up and we test it. It's the maiden. It's the maiden. It's been in the pond, but it's never, the pond doesn't tell you nothing. That just sucked up a bunch of garbage and plugged the pump and put my antenna up. I'm using a Fly Sky, different radio. I say we fire this up. Whoa. Yeah, we lost the, as you can see, we lost the stinger off the exhaust pipe. It's gone. It's in the water somewhere. That's okay. It's okay to make these sacrificial things to the water gods. Sometimes you just have to do it. I'm gonna try and fire it back up. I'm not even gonna I'm not going to tweak it. There's a little bit of water in it, but nothing. I'm thinking the heat, it came unsoldered. Maybe not enough power. She sounds a little like it could need a little bit of a. There's a little bit of water in there, not much. Not much. My hoses are so. I'm gonna open. Yeah, here I am with my thumbnail again. I didn't bring a screwdriver. Never bring tools, man. I was hoping it would come out the. Oh, there we go. Well, we got it coming out line, but it's not coming out. It's not coming out of the boat. I have no flotation in here. Oh, we're leaking. We're leaking a little bit of. Yeah, I don't want to take that off of there. Oh, hey, you know what? I can pull this out. No, I'm not going to take that out. If I take it out, I'll never get it back in. I can live with the little bit of water in there. It's not affecting anything. I'm gonna look inside. I don't see no weeds or anything like that. So I just opened the high-speed needle just a hair. I hit my steering another servo. This is an old servo. I want to do some donuts. I just don't have enough steering. Well, there you have it, man. Freaking, she's a ripper. I think it could go a little better. I'm thinking that servo just don't have, it's like when I'm going full bore in a straight line, it's like it tries to straighten the nozzle out. So I'm thinking I probably need a stronger servo. But there you have it. Not bad for the maiden. You know, way faster than before, and that's with the 40 millimeter pump. Not sure if it would have went faster with the 50 millimeter pump. It did take on a little bit of water, as you can see. There's a little bit of water in there, but it all kind of stays at the back where the pump is, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we lost the stinger. Not a big deal. I'll fabricate a new one or something. But there you go. You got to come out with us and you get to see the maiden. And there you have it, man. Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe. Keep commenting. Peace. I'm out.